Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, today it's gonna be a very exciting video because I am doing another Sephora haul for all the products that I've received. Recently there have been so many product releases to do with skincare and makeup, which got me so excited and intrigued that I wanted to try all of them. So I did a huge Sephora splurge and got so much stuff again. It contains a lot of makeup and skincare. So if you want to see what all things I got from Sephora, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have a lot to go through, so let's get started. So it's not going to be in any particular order. Whatever I'm going to find first, I'm going to show it to you. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this color depositing mask from Moroccanoil. This is a great product if you are someone who has color treated hair and want to do toning on your own at home. This is something to check out. I'm actually thinking of doing a review for this product because this is a game-changing product for me, especially since the time the pandemic happened and the lockdown and we were deprived of the services. I love putting color in my hair, and this is a great product. It's actually very conditioning as well. The hair is very silky and smooth whenever I apply this. So probably I'm gonna do a review soon, so stay tuned. Next product is the shampoo that I use. This is from Alterna and it's the Caviar Anti-Aging Infinite Color Hold Shampoo. As you can see, I have color treated hair, so I want to have the color as long as possible on my hair. So I actually try to use a product which is kind of helping in the longevity of the color in the hair, and this is a great product. It is sulfate free, very gentle on the hair. It does not cause any breakage. It is a very nice product, and I have been using this for years and years now. So especially if you have color treated hair, this is something to check out. Next thing is also a hair product, and this also remains in my kit always and always. This is from Briogeo, and this is their Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. This is a great product, especially if you use heating tools on your hair. It is not a good idea to put those heating tools directly on your hair because they might burn the hair and cause breakage and split ends. So I always apply this before putting any kind of heating tool on my hair, and this is a great product. I can definitely see a difference. If you are someone who actually puts heating tools in their hair, then please use a heat protectant, and this is a great option for that. Alright, the next thing is from Fenty Beauty. This has not launched recently, but I was very intrigued to try this and I kept delaying it, but finally I got my hands on this. This is the Invisi Matte Blotting Powder. It's actually a powder instead of the blotting paper that helps in removing the shine from the face. So during summertime, especially if I'm out for longer hours in the day, I always see some oil production on the T-zone. So I wanted something which is compact and easy to carry, and I can just put it all over and just remove the shine from the face. So I was very intrigued on trying this for a while, and actually this has very good reviews, so I have high hopes on it. Let's see how it works out. In case you guys own this, then please let me know how it is for you and do you recommend it to use. So inside it has this sponge, which is great, and then there is a mirror as well. As you can see it is white, so I'm hoping there is no color to it, but I will try it out and let you know. The next product is from Peace Out, and I am really excited to try this. As I keep mentioning, I'm a dry skin which is acne prone as well, and I keep getting breakouts every month or 2 months here and there, especially on my cheek area. This is the problem area that I have. So I always have treatments like a spot treatment or something in my kit because I kind of need it, right? That's the pain that comes with acne prone skin. And actually from Peace Out, I have tried many different products like their retinol eye stick or their spot corrector or their micro needling strips, and they are all great. So I was very excited to try this acne serum. This is 2% salicylic acid with niacinamide and vitamin C, and it actually had great reviews. I have heard great things about this product. So if you are somebody who's acne prone, then this is something to check out. And because I'm a acne prone skin, I'm always looking for a product which helps with acne. So I think if you are a similar skin type, then you can also check this out. And if you already have this product, then please let me know how it worked out for you. I'm gonna definitely try this and I'll give you my feedback. Guys, the next product I'm really excited about, it's the Kosas Air Brow Hold Treatment Gel. This is a brow gel that came recently in the market and it is very, very popular. I've heard great reviews about this product. Anyways, I feel eyebrows are so essential to the face. They make or break our face. So I always keep them in shape and fill them in. And actually, I have a tutorial up on my channel where I show how to shape your brows at home. It is very easy to do. So if you want to see, there will be a link somewhere on the top. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this product. I'm definitely gonna try it and give you my feedback if I like it or not. If you already own this product, then tell me how it worked out for you. I would love to hear that. Alright guys, the next product also is very, very exciting. This is from One Size and it is the Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. I am so excited to try this product. One Size is actually the makeup line from Patrick Star. I love Patrick Star. I have followed him for years and years, and at the same time, this particular product I have heard such good reviews and I'm so intrigued to try a foundation powder. Usually I go with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. It is very sheer medium coverage powder. It doesn't give too much of color to the face. I just use it to set my face in place, but this kind of powder actually has a lot of coverage to it, so I'm really intrigued to see if I can just put this on my face without a liquid foundation. Can it give that kind of coverage and a good natural looking skin? And actually I've heard great things about this product and I was anyway intrigued to try a foundation powder, so I got this. Let's see how it goes. I'm definitely going to put a review of this on my channel, so stay tuned. Let me quickly open this and show it to you guys. The shade that I have got it in is medium 4G. This is medium with golden undertones because I have more of a olive skin tone. So pretty. Oh my gosh. The packaging is gorgeous. Wow. And this is how the powder looks. It has a mirror as well. Let's do a quick swatch and let's see how it looks. So this is the shade. I think it's gonna go well with my skin. Yeah, see, it blended so beautifully in my hand. I'm really excited to try this product. I will let you guys know if I like it or not. Next product is also very, very exciting. It's from Patrick Star and it's the Major Sculpt Cream and Powder Bronzer Duo. I got it in the shade She's Sculpted. It's the medium shade. Let me quickly open it up and show you guys how it looks. It looks so luxurious, beautiful. There is the powder and the cream bronzer. This is the cream bronzer and this is the powder bronzer. I think the color is so pretty. I will definitely put a review for this as well soon, so stay tuned. I'm so excited to try this. I love a bronzer on the skin, especially in the spring and summertime. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this out. Next product is actually a staple in my skincare routine and it's the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. These are great sheet masks, and because I suffer from acne and at the same time I have dry skin, so I always put these kind of sheet masks once or twice a week. And actually the Tatcha mask help a lot because even if I have dry patches because of the acne creams that I put on my skin, if I put this and then sleep the next morning, my skin is baby soft and smooth and actually very, very glowy. So I love this product. I think you should definitely check it out, especially if you are a dry skin like me. Next product is a must-have for spring and summer, and actually I recommend putting a sunscreen throughout the year, but especially in spring and summer we should never go out without putting a sunscreen. So actually I was looking for a good option for the sunscreen and I saw this on Sephora website. This is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It had great feedback on the Sephora website. This is actually SPF 40 and it says that it does not form a white cast on the skin. And actually in the reviews everybody mentioned that this can actually be a great primer as well. So I got really excited to try this, because usually it's very hard to find a sunscreen which does not leave a white cast or does not cause breakouts, because I am anyway a acne prone skin, so I am very concerned about that. So it is a very clear sunscreen, as you can see, and it goes like water on the skin. I don't even feel anything. So yeah, definitely it won't leave a white cast. That's great. In case you are in search for a great sunscreen, this is a good option to try. This is from Supergoop. Next product also I'm really excited about, and this is again from Fenty Beauty, and this is their body sauce. It looks so amazing. This is a body illuminating tint. It actually adds a bit of color as well as a bit of glow onto the skin, and I saw many reviews before buying this, and I was so intrigued to try this, especially in the spring and summertime. So intrigued to try this. It looks so nice on the skin for all the reviews that I've seen. And the shade that I've got is Honey, and this is 02. Let me quickly open and show it to you guys. This is how the bottle looks, and let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna try a bit here. So here it is. Oh, it has a beautiful shine and coverage to it. So this is my normal hand, and this is with the product. I actually really like it. I think it's gonna look great, especially on the legs. I'm definitely gonna try this. Let me know if you have already tried the body sauce and if you liked it or not. I'm really intrigued about this product. I think it's great. It gave a great coverage. It actually evened out the skin a lot. The next product is from Morphe. This is their liquid lipsticks. I was very intrigued to try this from Morphe, because usually Morphe's products are not that expensive. At the same time, they are pretty good products. So the shade that I got it in is Peanut. Let's see how it is. I thought it'll be a nudish brown, but seems like it'll be a bit more dark from the packaging. So this is how it looks. It's in a tinted glass. Looks very nice. Yeah, it is a very nice brownish color, which I really like, because usually when I wear a dark eye look, then I go for subtle lips. So I like these kind of shades a lot. So I really wanted to try Morphe's lipsticks, and the color is so beautiful. Alright, so the next product is actually a staple in my skincare routine, and it's again for acne prone skin. This is from Kate Somerville, and it's this spot corrector. It's called Eradicate. So this is how it looks. You just have to apply it on the blemish wherever you have it and sleep like that, and you have to apply it for few times in a week. And it actually is not very drying on the skin, which I really like, because if it is extremely drying, then the skin gets really damaged. So this is a gentle treatment for acne, which I really like, and it is very effective as well. I have tried and tested it for months and months. So whenever I get a blemish, I always apply this in the night after my skincare routine and sleep like that, and the next morning I just wash my face, and I do it like every day unless that blemish is gone. It actually helps a lot. It helps reducing the redness. At the same time, the blemish goes away much faster when you apply this. The next product also I'm very excited about. It's the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener, which is an illuminator for eye. It is kind of a very natural looking concealer. The color that I have got it in is Deep Butter, which is 07. Let me quickly show you how it looks. This is the bottle that it comes in, and this is the top. It is surrounded by this crystal ball, and as you can see, I have already used it. Let me show you the consistency of it. So it is actually very moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. When you put it on under your eyes, then you don't even feel that you're putting a concealer. It is very sheer coverage, but at the same time it brightens the eye. I actually have a review of this product on my channel, so in case you want to check it out, the link somewhere on the top. And it complements well with the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop because that's also more sheer coverage foundation. So if you combine the two, it can be a great no makeup look. Alright guys, I know there are so many products already, but I have come down to the last product, and this is not a new release as such. This is the Benefit Bang Bang Bad Gal mascara. I love this mascara, and actually I was out of it, and I'm sure many of you love this product. It's kind of a very popular mascara, a great mascara, and I always have this in my kit, but recently I ran out, so I got another one. In case you are looking for a great mascara, this is a great option. This is very volumizing. At the same time, it gives you a great lengthening effect as well. So if you are in hunt of any new mascaras and you haven't tried the Bad Gal mascara from Benefit, you should check this out for sure. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. I know I had a lot of products to go through. I'm so excited for all of them. I've already tried a couple of them, and I plan to try the rest of them very soon. I will try to put a review of as many of these products as possible on my channel, so stay tuned for it. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you like these kind of Sephora hauls, and do you want me to do more of these often. I'm such a Sephora lover. I keep getting so many products from there. So in case you are interested in these kind of hauls, just keep me posted and I will make as many of them as possible for you guys. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with many more videos very soon, so stay tuned to my channel, and until next time, bye guys.